everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually here at Elaine's Medical Aesthetics and we are going to be doing microneedling to my face. So this is the first time I've ever tried it and we are going to give you all the tips and tricks as to what your session would look like. Everything that you need to know about microneedling, I'm going to be showing you today. Same with Elaine. This is actually Elaine here. Hi! So, if you guys haven't seen before, I did post a video of when I was here. We did the fire and ice facial. I'll actually post that right here for you guys to see. But yeah, so let's get into it. So this is the before of my face. I don't know if you guys can tell in this lighting here, but I do have some acne scarring here. I have some, is it hyperpigmentation? Some right here. So I went on vacation, as you guys probably all know, and I did wear sunscreen, but I burnt really badly here, so I do have some hyperpigmentation there. And then I also do have some breakouts and acne, and then also decoloration here, some redness. I don't even know if I'm saying all these terms right or not.
You don't necessarily have acne, you do have some
clogged pores.
Yeah.
So she's going to cleanse my skin right now, hence why I'm not wearing any makeup right now either. So she's going to cleanse my skin and
then we're going to start numbing.
And so she's going to cleanse my skin and then she's going to numb my face before the procedure. So stay tuned. So you might actually be able to see a little bit better of my skin. We're getting real close and personal now. Step now.
So I'm just going to be numbing you with a 5% lidocaine. We're going to leave that on for 20 minutes.
Will I be able to move my face?
Yes.
And the reason as to why we are numbing my face is why?
Because we're going to do microneedling. So microneedling is using little microscopic needles that penetrate right down into the dermis. It's going to be creating little micro injuries. So your body, as a response, is going to repair itself with new collagen and elastin. So this treatment actually helps with acne scarring, pigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles. Because we're stimulating that collagen and elastin, we're tightening and firming, retexturizing that skin. It's also great for surgical scars, stretch marks even. Fabulous resurfacing treatment. You're gonna have fresh, beautiful, dewy skin when we're done.
Oh my gosh, this is great.
So this is the pen that we're gonna be using on you today. It's called the Skin Pen. It's actually the only microneedling device that is FDA and Health Canada approved. It's only sold to physician-based practices, so you know you're in good hands. If you are to get microneedling done, my suggestion is that you ask for Skin Pen by name, because safety is a huge factor, right?
My skin already looks better. Okay, so now what is this that we're applying?
So this is the hydrogel. So this is going to give me the slip and keep you hydrated. So it sounds a lot scarier than it actually is. Ready? How are we doing?
Good. I shouldn't be laughing.
Well, some areas people find it tickles, especially on the neck.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Really?
Yeah.
Whew.
You okay?
Yeah, no, I'm good. Oh my god.
You're like,
What?
what did I get myself into?
Oh my god, my skin like feels like
Hot.
it feels hot and
Yeah.
like so like tight.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
I feel the numbing now. No, I'm joking. Oh wow. Jeez. So how many needles are in that pen?
12.
Wow. So there was 12 needles poking into my skin.
We've created
time.
over 1,600 microchannels. That many micro injuries.
Oh my god. Okay, well, beauty is pain, right? I mean, it wasn't even that bad. So overall, like the experience as to what I experienced, yeah, like you feel that vibration. It's uncomfortable. Like I wouldn't say like it's relaxing, but
You wouldn't?
no. Yeah, like I mean, it goes by so quick. Like I honestly, like we've been filming for 8 minutes. So like the procedure overall, like 20 minutes for the freezing or the numbing, but 8 minutes for the microneedling, the actual microneedling. So I mean, it goes quick. Don't be scared of it. I know a lot of people, like I know myself, like I was a little bit nervous coming into it, and I've been seeing, this is probably not the greatest angle of me. So I've been seeing all over YouTube, all over social media about microneedling, and quite frankly, like to be real with you guys and to be honest, I never thought I could ever see myself in this chair right now getting it done. One is, it's not like the cheapest thing, but I was too scared of the needles because you don't know what that feels like 12 needles getting punctured into your skin. You don't know what that feels like, right? But I can honestly tell you guys that is nothing to be afraid of. I literally lived through it, right? I'm still here. But yeah, okay, so this is what, I don't know if you can really see, but this is what it looks like after. A lot easier than what I actually thought it was going to be. I'd totally do it again, and I have to do it again. So to get the ultimate effect, you want to make sure that you are doing at least a minimum of 3 treatments. Elaine, I believe, do you have a package here?
Yeah, you could purchase a package of 3 for $9.99.
Oh, okay, so you can, and originally, how much is one?
It's $3.70 for one.
So it's $3.70 for one, and then if you get a package, you can get a package of 3 for $9.99. And to get the full effect and the full results of your treatment, she would recommend to stay with the 3. So this is what it looks like afterwards. I'm really trying to focus on this area here. So if it doesn't come out within this first one, it should be coming out at least within the second one. And then everything else should be uplifted.
So you get home care with your treatment. Everything comes in this cute little package. So the HG Lift is a hydrogel. It just allows slip and it keeps hydration. So you use this for the rest of the day to day because you're going to be leaving here feeling, you know, hot and tight. Your skin's going to feel really tight throughout the day. This is just going to kind of alleviate that. Tomorrow, we're going to use mild cleanser and then rescue balm. You can use this as much as you want as well. And this is just kind of protecting the barrier.
Okay.
So yes, these are your home care today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna put 1 and 2 on the bottles.
Okay, perfect.
So it's very simple.
Yeah, okay, great, thanks.
And by the 3rd day, you are good to use your normal skincare regimen.
Okay.
Whatever you usually use. Unless if you're using any retinoids, I would wait an extra day.
Okay.
But other than that, you're good to go.
Okay.
3 to 5 days post, noticing dryness. This is very normal and common. It's just all the damage coming to surface. So a bit of dryness, bit of peeling. Not peeling like a chemical peel, so don't be expecting the sloughing.
Yeah, no.
You're just gonna feel dry. That's
Okay.
all. So you can just use regular moisturizer to kind of help alleviate that. But yeah,
Okay, great.
that's it. And
Excellent.
SPF,
Yeah.
SPF.